What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Yearn Finance YFI, which has dropped a massive 40% in the last 24 hours. The dip did take place earlier this morning, as you guys can see. Literally dropped from about $14,000 to right now trading at just below $9,000. So we're going to be looking at what caused this huge drop in value. Is it going to drop further? Is it going to pump back up in value above $15,000? Is now the right time to buy the dip, or should you hold on to it before it drops even further? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023 and going into 2024. What can we expect from Yearn Finance? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So looking at the candlestick pattern chart, we're going to bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, it was trading in the green zone and literally dropped into the red zone, which I did predict in my previous YFI update, which again literally happened. But let's focus on the foreseeable future. Is it going to go back into the green zone, or is it going to drop further down into the red zone? But we'll bring that later on in the video. For now, I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which gives us the average value of Yearn Finance, which is here in purple at $8,200. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here at just below $9,000, meaning it is still performing quite well. However, it is getting closer and closer to the SMA indicator and may potentially drop below it as well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I would not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Yearn Finance over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Yearn Finance to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to around $9,500 is where I'm expecting it to go up to. Again, it's not going to be a major increase, but minimal, and also it is likely to drop further over the next couple of hours, potentially just below $8,000 over the next few hours before it slowly starts to gain value up to around $9,500 is what I'm expecting by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Yearn Finance over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting this crypto to be trading around the $10,000 mark, guys. Yes, it is an increase from where it is at the moment, but nothing too crazy. Over the next couple of days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, we are likely to hit more red days, dropping below $8,000, potentially down to about $6,000 to $7,000 before we slowly start to gain value by mid to end of next week, heading up to just below $10,000 is what my expectations are over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here, guys? Again, we've got the blue line looking very bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Yearn Finance over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late December, early January 2024, I'm expecting Yearn Finance to be trading around the $9,000 mark. Again, Over the next couple of weeks, so late November, early December, we are likely to head down to around the $5,000 to $6,000 mark, and from then on we should be slowly heading up to around 9,000 by the end of the year and early next year as well, is what my predictions are at the moment. However, if I'm able to predict such thing as like a major pump or a major crash or anything like that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I go any further, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market and want to join my Telegram channel. You guys can join that through the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10. It is usually $29.99, and again, this is only for a limited time and a limited amount of members, so make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is just a general chat where I give you guys updates mainly on Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for. I will be posting updates and analysis in that group chat. The second chat is just another group chat that you're going to get added onto where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Bearing in mind, I am a long-term trader, so I don't buy and sell cryptos every single day or weekly. I am a long-term investor, just to let you guys know. So yeah, any questions, any queries, send me a DM or leave a comment down below. But yeah, the link is in the description box down below. And now back to YFI. So as you guys can see, we are currently in the red zone, and I'm expecting it to drop further down into the red zone, and I'm expecting Yearn Finance to be trading and stay in the red zone for the rest of the year. I'm not expecting it to head up into the green zone, because when it did go for a major increase in value and literally broke out without any resistance, I did let you guys know this crypto is likely to straight away drop back into the red zone, and that is exactly what's happened. So yeah, I am expecting it to hover around the red zone for the rest of the year and potentially for about the first 3 months of 2024 as well. We should be heading into the red zone, but slowly and steadily heading upwards, heading into the green zone is what my predictions are. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 18% in the last 24 hours, making it $447 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. A lot more people, they're not selling it, but a lot of people are buying the dip right now, as it has taken quite a major drop over the last 24 hours. So yeah, people are taking advantage of that. Would I buy it right now? Well, yes and no. So if I had $1,000 that I wanted to invest into the crypto, I'd probably invest $200 right now and spread it across the next 5 weeks. So $200 every week for the next 5 weeks to make up the 1,000, or $100 for the next 10 weeks. You know, it depends on how you want to split it out. But yeah, DCA is something that I would use when it comes to investments, especially like this when a crypto is dropping in value. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.